Dolly and Friends!
5 little ghosts went out the cave, over the hill and far away. But little ghostbusters catch them in a bag, and only 4 little ghosts came back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little ghosts went out the cave, over the hill and far away. But little ghostbusters catch them in a bag, and only 3 little ghosts came back. 1, 2, 3. 3 little ghosts went out the cave, over the hill and far away. But little ghostbusters catch them in a bag, and only 2 little ghosts came back. 1, 2. 2 little ghosts went out the cave, over the hill and far away. But little ghostbusters catch them in a bag, and only 1 little ghost came back. 1. 1 little ghost went out the cave, over the hill and far away. But little ghostbusters catch them in a bag, and none of the ghosts came back. Dolly and Tommy came back to the cave, over the hill and far away. Dolly and Tommy opened the bag, and all of the 5 little ghosts came back.
Cold, cold, it is cold. Give me some to get it warm. My brain's freezing out. Cold, cold, it is cold. Hot, hot, it is hot. Put some water on the spot. My skin is on fire. Hot, hot, it is hot. Hot, hot, it is hot. Put some water on the spot. My mouth is on fire. Hot, hot, it is hot. Cold, cold, it is cold. Give me some to get it warm. Oh no, now it's hot. Hot, hot, it is hot.
Hello kids,
Give us presents that we need.
blow you good, boys and girls.
Yes, we go.
Ho, ho, ho.
Santa, Santa,
Hello kids,
give us presents that we need.
blow you good, boys and girls.
Yes, we
Ho, ho, ho.
Santa, Santa,
Hello, kids.
give us presents that we need.
Blow you good, boys and girls.
Yes, we will.
Ho, ho, ho.
I want Santa to send me a unicorn. And I want a hoverboard.
Children, dinner! And don't forget about cookies for Santa.
Yay! You know what'll be great? What? To meet Santa in real life. Yeah, that would be great. I think I've got a plan. Aw, it's not Santa. Hey, it's for Santa!
Santa will not come, but don't worry, your cookies are in safe hands.
Santa's not coming?
The evil snowmen have grabbed the Santa, jailed him, and now are messing up the toy factory.
What? We have to save Santa, and you'll help us.
Oh no, I'm going home. You've run out of cookies anyway.
Are you sure? Send us to the North Pole!
Okay. Don't ever touch the yellow crystals. And if you don't want to die in agony, certainly do not lick them. And don't listen to songs of the North long-eared hares. Horrible creatures. Well, good luck.
Where should we go now?
Oh, sorry, I don't have a map of a snowy desert, but I'm sure Santa's over that hill.
I don't think snowmen are hiding Santa in such an obvious place.
Oh, stupid modern gadgets. Hey, here you are. Can you see me? Can you? Listen to me here. Santa's factory is over that high, cold ice mountain. Go fast. Be careful. Clear? See you later.
Wait, what if we...
I can't go any further. Leave me here.
We're almost there. Come on, we have to save Santa.
I'm hungry. Lollipop.
Tommy, wait! Oh, what a pretty bunny!
What happened?
Nothing.
Santa's toy factory.
Watch out! The factory's under the guard.
We have to get inside somehow.
I hear something.
Kids, help! Get me out of here!
Look, the ladder.
Thank you, kids. Thought I'd stay here forever. Don't ever play cards with snowmen, nasty crooks. It all started as fun and bam! I'm locked in my own dungeon and the witch pig is angry with me. I don't know why.
Well, let's get out of here.
Oh, the presents! The bag is in the factory!
We'll help you bring the presents in your factory back.
But the snowman's guard.
Don't worry, I know a side way. The bag must be somewhere in this room. Oh, here it is.
Wow, my skate!
Cowards, attack me with a crowd. Turn the thermostat. If only I had a chance of a fair battle.
Cowards! Nobody calls me a coward going around.
Did you hear about the thermostat?
Yeah, I think I know where it is.
Oh no!
You can do nothing.
Are you sure? You?
Yeah, it worked!
It's unfair.
We did it!
Yeah, but we can't deliver presents on time. If only the witchy pig was here. Oh, sure, I have her glorious present.
Hey!
Thank you, my little friends.
Maybe you'll go with us?
Oh, no. I have to clean up the mess left by the snowman gang. And Witch Pig is still angry with me. See you later.